Hi everyone. I'll be explaining the chapter number 7, energy flow in an ecosystem, okay, of standard 9th. So a very small topic, biogeochemical cycle. What is biogeochemical cycle? And we'll be studying about one of the biogeochemical cycle, that is carbon cycle. Okay, so let us begin. So, what is biogeochemical cycle? It is a cyclical flow of nutrients within an ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem consists of all the living organisms, and these living organisms need nutrients for their survival. So the nutrients are uh, transferred, okay, or it is shared in 4 compartments of the earth. Okay, so what are these 4 compartments? These are atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Okay, so biosphere consists of all the living organisms, okay, which is biotic factor of the ecosystem. Okay, and atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere are the abiotic factors of the ecosystem. Understood? So these nutrients, the cycle or the flow of the nutrients is carried out in all these 4 compartments, okay, from biotic to abiotic factors, from abiotic to the biotic factors. Okay, so this is how nutrients are carried out or are transferred from biotic factors to the abiotic factors, and from abiotic factors to the biotic factors. So basically what happens is the nutrients are given back to the earth, okay, and hence this cycle goes on continuously. Okay, so let us study how carbon is cyclically uh, transferred from all these 4 compartments. Okay, so let us look at the carbon cycle. So the definition of carbon cycle is the circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organisms, and after their death back to the atmosphere. Okay, this is carbon cycle. What is the definition? Circulation and recycling of carbon from atmosphere to the living organisms. Okay, from abiotic factor to the biotic factor, and after their death back to the atmosphere is known as carbon cycle. Okay, so carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so this carbon dioxide is used by the plants by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, animals uses carbon dioxide or carbon indirectly by consuming plants. Okay, and both these animals and plants carries out the process of respiration, and through respiration carbon is given back to the atmosphere. Okay, this is one process by which carbon is given back to the atmosphere. Other process is when these living organisms die. Okay, they are decomposed by fungi and bacteria. Okay, by this decomposition these animals are fossilized. Okay, so by the process of fossilization these living organisms are converted into fossils. Correct? Now another way is what? Carbon dioxide is also used by plants which are present in the sea, in the water, okay, water bodies. So all the living organisms, all the animals which are present in the water body consume these plants, okay, and this carbon is stored in their body in the form of calcium carbonate, okay, either in the form of limestone or the shells of the organisms. Okay, again these organisms, what happens, they are fossilized. Okay, they are turned into fossils after decomposition. Okay, and this fossil is turned into what? Fuel. Okay, this fossil is turned into fuel, converted into fuel. Okay, this fuel is then used up, okay, extracted, okay, and it is used up by all the human beings for their own activities. For example, they are used up in